For millions of years, nature thrived, shaping mountains, carving rivers, and breathing life into forests teeming with diversity. Every creature knew its place in this delicate web. But then came a species unlike any other, intelligent, ambitious, and restless. With minds capable of dreaming beyond the horizon, we began to reshape our world. We planted crops, domesticated animals, built shelters. For the first time, nature no longer dictated our survival. We dictated hers. In the name of development, we transformed the earth. Forests became farmlands, wetlands, parking lots. Hills were flattened and rivers redirected. We built towering cities of glass and steel, symbols of human progress. Yet beneath the gleam, a quiet unraveling began. The air grew thick with smoke. The oceans swelled with plastic. Wildlife disappeared, not in sudden catastrophe, but in silence. Slowly, the balance began to tip. With every road we laid, every city we expanded, and every forest we cleared, we took more than the earth could replenish. Our machines grew louder, our appetite insatiable. In our pursuit of comfort, we warmed the planet. Ice melted, seas rose, storms grew fiercer. Beneath the dazzling display of human achievement, the earth began to suffer. The forests we felled no longer breathed for us. The oceans we filled with plastic began to choke. Landscapes that had stood unchanged for millennia began to collapse under the weight of our ambition. Species vanished, glaciers retreated, and the climate, once our quiet companion, began to turn against us. In less than a blink of geological time, we transformed the face of the planet. Great forests that had stood for thousands of years, gone. Rivers that once teemed with life, poisoned. We did not notice the silence at first. We were warned. What we once called natural disasters became annual headlines. Drought, fire, flood, famine, not distant tragedies, but daily realities. In the name of development, we displaced not just trees and rivers, but generations of people, of species, of possibilities. We built walls to protect ourselves from a world we had wounded. And all the while, the earth did what it has always done. It responded, not with anger, but with indifference. Nature does not seek revenge. She simply rebalances, with or without us. And so we find ourselves at a precipice, a species more powerful than any that has walked this earth, yet more uncertain than ever of its place upon it. We conquered nature, and in doing so, lost our connection to it. We mistook convenience for progress, consumption for happiness, growth for wisdom. But now, in the silence that follows the storms, in the heat that follows the harvest, in the eyes of children inheriting a world they did not choose to damage, we are faced with a question that no machine can answer, no satellite can measure. What does it mean to thrive? Is it to build higher, faster, louder? Or is it to live in harmony with each other and with the planet that gave us life? Where are we headed as a species? That is the story yet to be written. But one truth remains. We are not separate from nature. We are a part of it. And if we are to survive, we must remember what we have forgotten.